Hey happy KOers, welcome to another makeup tutorial video, keyboard pedal repair video. So today we have a pedal that's supposed to sustain the notes, and as you can see here, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it intermittently fails to sustain the piano notes. So we're going to see if we can fix this. And as you can see, this is my first time doing this, so I don't know what we're going to find in here. And here we go. And this is the pedal we're going to fix. Right here. This is not the MAUDIO pedal from earlier. I'm going to be using a standard Phillips screwdriver, as you can see. There it is there. And go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know if you find these types of videos enjoyable. Oh, there's me adjusting the focus there. I'm going to put the screws, here's what the screws look like right there. Okay, so you can see that. I'm going to put the screws kind of representing where they are on the pedal. That way I don't get confused in case some of them are different. Okay, here we go. I'm opening this, and there's a little bit of dust inside the pedal, and so I'm going to go ahead and give this a wipe. And oh god, put that in there. And I'm using a bathroom trash can here that I got. So here is the issue here. It looks like when I push up on this, that little thing, that's where the button is. So as you push that thing up, it pushes this little button down. There you go. So that's what holds the sustain, that little button. And it pushes on that little pad there. And it was a little dusty, but what I'm going to do is put a little bit of I'm not going to name the name of the tape, but let's just say this tape has the strength of the gorilla, and I'm going to put a little bit of this on that little pad there to give it a little extra space, basically, that it'll push with. So it'll push higher up, if that makes any sense, with the tape there. I'm going to put about 3 layers of it. So now I'm going to put that little button right there. That's so you can see the standard sustain pedal button. I'm going to put that back where it was, facing down, so that when you push the pedal, it pushes that little button up with a little extra tape. Okay. Now I put that in the wrong way first, so I flipped it around. I noticed the dusty side didn't match where the dust was. Okay, put it back together and take a listen. You hear that little click? I thought I had fixed the problem, but now I realize what the problem actually is. There is me realizing it, see? So I'm going to take it apart again and show you what that little clicky sound was. It's that thing popping up. So that's what was happening when I would push the pedal with my foot. The little button would push up, and it has room in there to do that. So what I'm going to do is apply a little bit more tape, to your standard tape there, and put it right there so you can see where it makes contact with that little chip pad. So I'm going to put a little extra tape there as well to prevent it from popping up. See? So that'll fit right against it, so now it's squished in there. I can't hear it. I know, I can't hear it either, Lawrence. Well done. So now we're going to put it back together. Listen. No sound. Okay, I'm going to plug it back in. Seems to be working. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. And one more thing. Fuck you.